Meaning of immortalize.
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 Immortalize. The word immortalize means to give everlasting life or to preserve something in a lasting way. It is typically used in the context of art, literature or culture, where someone or something is transformed into an icon or symbol that will never be forgotten. When something is immortalized, it becomes part of history, a legacy that will endure for generations. Through immortalization, people and things can achieve a sort of immortality, permanently etched into the fabric of society and remembered long after their time has passed.